When people are empowered, they think better, they are more creative, and achieve more together. In a hybrid work world, it's more important than ever that your people have the support and tools to thrive. Microsoft Viva is the employee experience platform that helps everyone be their best from anywhere. Viva connects each person from the front line to the CEO with the tools and information they need when and where they need them. It binds each employee to your company mission and its culture with a focus on goal setting and alignment, so everyone sees how their work impacts the bigger picture. Viva is built into apps like Microsoft Teams and Outlook, so it's integrated in the flow of your work. That includes learning, from completing online courses to organizational knowledge, all at your fingertips. Viva provides actionable insights that help everyone establish better work practices and improve well-being. Employees can build and join communities with others across the company. With Viva, leaders listen, using continuous feedback to improve engagement and culture, and can amplify workplace communications to energize employees. Viva brings together what each person needs to be successful, all in one place, empowering people and teams to be their best. Microsoft Viva, where people thrive.